I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. This is a quick look at our Sea Ray 250 SDX powered with the 250 Mercury. This is an all-white hull, so it's a really clean look on this boat. I think it looks fantastic, and it's real easy to maintain too when you've got just an all-white hull like that. First thing that you're going to notice about this 250 SDX is the amount of room that I have back in the on the swim platform back here. Tons of room back here. The reason you can get so much room like that is because this back seat slides. Really neat. So you can have reverse facing seating or flip this way, and you've got forward facing seating. You've got a freshwater shower on the starboard side here, as well as a remote for your stereo. Battery switches are real easy to access, just right here on the starboard side as well. You get this out of the way. If you got little dogs on board, you've got a little door here that you can close off the back, keep your dog inside. Huge L-shaped seating on here. You've got drink holders, stainless steel drink holders all around in this boat. It's something that you can almost never have enough of on a boat. This one has the water sports tower on it. If you need this water sports tower to be lower, you're going to put it in your boat lift or something like that. This tower on here does lower down on this. It goes down to the windshield. Very comfortable captain's chairs on here. Really wide. You got a high up position like that, or flip it down. I've already got the Simrad multifunction display on here. Fusion stereo. Tilt steering wheel. Here's another thing that I really like about the 250 SDX. Open this up down below and look at how much space you've got for a 25-foot bow rider. I mean, a couple of kids could go down there and take a nap if they wanted to. Plenty of room down in there. Also, the co-captain's chair on the port side is also double wide too, so that's a nice wide seat. Again, with a reversible backrest on it, so if somebody wants to lounge facing towards the aft on there, they can. Another real big difference with Sea Ray's 250 SDX that you don't see on a lot of our competition. A lot of them go to a sharp point up in the bow. Sea Ray keeps their width. They carry that width all the way forward. So you look at how much room that you've got up here. I mean, you can easily, in this 25-foot boat, you can fit 4 people up in the bow of this boat with your knees not knocking on each other. You've got in the front right here a beach boarding ladder. So if you want to just nose up on the beach, climb on and off the front or climb on and off the back, you've got a nice ladder off the back too. This boat is at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. If you want to take it for a test ride, call my cell phone, 904-625-6146.